Want to get your dry parched heels back to life? If yes, then from this to this in just 2 weeks and in just 3 simple steps. If you wish to know how, then keep on watching this video till the end. No fancy pedicures, no multiple tools, no harsh scrubbing. Just soft, smooth heels to boost your confidence. Step 1. Every night before going to sleep, soak a napkin in warm water, wrap it around your heel and keep it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wipe your feet dry with a dry towel. Step 2. Apply the Aaranyaa Soft Heel Cream. It has beeswax and clove oil formula. This cream is specially formulated for repairing cracked and parched heels. It is a nice thick cream which has worked wonders on my heels. Keep massaging the cream gently onto the heel until it is completely absorbed into the skin. Step 3. Put on your socks and go to sleep. Enjoy a good night's sleep, and after about 2 weeks' time, start noticing remarkable difference in your heels. Just giving you some basic details about this Aaranyaa Soft Heel Cream. It is made in India and it has a shelf life of 3 years. This 100 ml tube retails for Rs 275. It is 100% vegan and I really love this product. If you wish to purchase it, the purchase link will be in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have done so, please do not forget to give it a quick like. You can share this video as much as you want. And if you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. You can hit the bell icon so that you get notified of my upcoming videos first. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.